Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide secure folder in the app screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on secure folder. Next, tap on Add Secure Folder to Apps screen. So tap on the toggle button to hide or to show. So once we set on hide, it's now gone. We can no longer locate the secure folder. As you can see, I cannot search for secure folder anymore. Now to turn it back on, you need to go into settings and tap on biometrics and security. Tap on secure folder. Next, we need to use a PIN or a password to go into settings. Once you're in settings, you can then tap on the toggle button to switch it back on. Once it is turned on, you can find the secure folder in the app screen. And that is how you can switch it on or switch it off from the secure folders settings. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.